What's going on, everybody? This is Tyler Sonic here, bringing you a brand new video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different on the channel. I'm actually here with one of my buddies, Ryan. He invited me over to film him installing a catch can on his 2014 Chevy SS. Come along for the ride, I'll show you guys the process. Alright, so we're going to show you guys here what the catch can looks like that he purchased. Alright, so you can see the catch can right here. It's by Elite Engineering.
So this is the E2 Elite Engineering catch can. It's a single inlet, single outlet. This one's really nice. It's really good quality. It's a heavy duty material. One of the main reasons why I bought this one is to empty it, you won't have to remove anything. You just unscrew this right here, and all of your oil is going to be in this little reservoir here. And you can tell everything is nice and solid materials, so it's definitely worth the little bit extra money to get the quality material. Elite Engineering is one of the best on the markets for LS engines specifically, and it just looks really good. So when I bought mine, it came with the standard 6 feet of hose. It's a 3/8 inch diameter hose. And just your standard tubing hose. And then I went and bought, it's a little bit heavier duty braided 3/8 inch hose. It's a little more durable with the heat and stuff that the LS engine puts out. It's gonna be a lot longer lasting, more durable material. So you just run this with your inlet and your outlet port to your PCV and your other valve, and then you're good. So there's the two lines here and here, kind of a little harder to see. So the top line is one of the lines, and the bottom line is one of the lines. That's going to be an in and an out. We're going to connect these two straight to the oil can. You can see I have the bracket here already where the oil can is going to mount up to. So we're just trying to move some of this stuff out of the way so we can get the hoses on and figure out how we want to run them out to help protect them from a lot of the heat that's in here. So.
It's trying to do face recognition on your hand. That's awesome.
Hi!
These guys have been over here forever trying to get this hose off, and I just came over with my skinny hands and got it right off.
Hashtag fat hands. Okay, so let him videotape it.
So this is how it's done, okay?
Okay, show a little clip.
There's a little clip right here. See that?
Perfect.
You want to
Push that down?
push that down, or it might be towards you. Like on this one up here, it was towards me, so you got to push it towards you, but whichever way it goes. And then you just push it down and you just pull this tube right off. It releases it. So you can see how it works. This is that little clip here. As you push it over, it opens that up.
We probably would have been here for like another 2 or 3 more hours if he didn't walk over and help. Sometimes it pays to know your neighbors.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and by the way, quick shout out, the shirt I'm wearing, he designed it.
So you can see your clamp here. You just push it on as hard as you can. Make sure it has a good connection. Make sure it's not going to be coming loose. Oh, speaking of the devil. So there's that. This is our main inlet hose. This will go to the top port of your catch can, which is the inlet. And then your other line, which is your exit port, will go to this piece right here. So you got your inlet and you got your exit port. So right now I'm just mounting the catch can so I can match up my hoses and know how long I need to cut them. So once I get this mounted, I'll measure the lines out and then cut the lines so I can do the top port next and get them all fitted up nice and neat. And then I'll be ready to go.
This is the easy stuff. I don't need Kurt for this.
Yeah. I don't need little girly hands for this. Just kidding, Kurt.
I hope he sees this. I think he watches my stuff now. I know he subscribed at least.
Nice. He's a cool guy.
I don't know, when I first started watching his videos, I was like, dude, you're easily one of those people that's gonna have 1 million subs one day.
He's very entertaining.
Yeah. Alright, there's the final product. So as you guys can see, as soon as it decides to focus here, there it is. Catch can is installed. It looks great too. You can see it mounted up right there. You got your entry and exit ports. And there's the lines. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We wanted to bring you something a little bit different to the channel. Huge thanks to Ryan for inviting me over to film him installing the catch can. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, it's something a little bit different. I'm trying to bring a little bit of versatility to the channel so it's not always just the 200. Maybe bring some guys over that are from the Chevy community or anybody else. So thank you guys again for watching. I truly appreciate all the support you guys have been giving lately. Our watch time, our subscriber count, our views, they're higher than they've ever been. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. It means so much to me. That's why I keep doing this every single day. We have a huge trip coming up where we're going to be going to Las Vegas with my car club, the HeadTurners. It is going to be an insane trip. And I'm going to film everything I can. I just bought a bunch of more equipment so that way I can film it for you guys. Yeah, so go check out Ryan's Instagram. I'll have it in the description below. Go show him some love there. Also, Kurt, the gentleman that you saw in the video that helped us out, who also designed my channel logo and the logo for these shirts. I'm going to leave his channel info in the description below as well. Go follow him. He makes incredible videos. He does a lot of vlog style with his family. Funny dude. Goes to some amazing places and films a lot of cool, unique stuff that you don't see anywhere else on YouTube. So go give him a follow as well and subscribe to him. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. And as always, I'm out.